Picture mind-blowing VR glasses paired with a one-of-a-kind chair that moves you in any direction with twists and pirouettes, alongside a laptop sporting a transparent display and no physical keyboard. These innovations are poised to revolutionize your world in ways you never thought possible. Phaser 35. The Phaser 34 drone has achieved a remarkable milestone by soaring to altitudes exceeding 20 kilometers, presenting a cost-effective alternative to traditional satellites, all powered by sustainable solar energy. Now get ready for the Phaser 35, designed to stay airborne for a year and boasting an impressive payload capacity of 15 kilograms. Its versatility extends to various tasks, from establishing 5G networks to monitoring forest fires. With an impressive 35-meter wingspan and speeds reaching 145 kilometers per hour, it promises unmatched performance and capabilities. Look forward to its market debut in about 3 years, embodying a concept reminiscent of the limitless potential depicted in the movie Limitless. Prepare yourself for an electrifying adventure through cutting-edge gadgets and mind-blowing inventions. Brace for the ride of a lifetime as the supercharged tech marvels of 2024 are set to utterly transform your world. Lenovo ThinkBook. Lenovo kicks off the year with an unprecedented laptop revelation, unveiling a device with a transparent display and ditching the physical keyboard, a pioneering move in the micro-LED concept realm. The 17.3-inch frameless display offers adjustable transparency of up to 55%, complemented by a virtual keyboard replacing traditional keys. Despite its modest 720p resolution, the concept is undeniably mesmerizing, allowing designers to seamlessly integrate their work into any environment. What's more, Lenovo incorporates artificial intelligence and augmented reality algorithms to overlay virtual elements onto real objects behind the laptop, such as adding a butterfly to a vase. Speculation suggests these futuristic laptops may enter production in about 5 years, aligning with insights from industry experts observed in June of last year. Neuralink. In our tale, the main character heavily depends on brain-boosting pills to function at an astounding 200% capacity, effortlessly earning trust and foreseeing future events. However, the arrival of Elon Musk's Neuralink brings a potential game-changer. Neuralink's development of neurochips threatens to render traditional pills obsolete. Initially created for medical use, these neurochips hold immense promise across different areas. They might regulate hormones, transmit frequencies beyond human hearing, and even enable communication resembling telepathy through Bluetooth technology. The progress led by Neuralink has the potential to transform humanity's abilities, pushing the limits of thinking and communication to new horizons. This technological leap could fundamentally alter our understanding of the human mind and open doors to groundbreaking progress in various fields. Honda XR Mobility Experience. At the South by Southwest Innovation Show, Honda unveiled an amazing augmented reality project. It's called the Honda XR Mobility Experience, which combines VR glasses with a unique Uni-One chair. Users can simply lean in the direction they want to go, and the chair takes them there smoothly. It can even do twists and turns, and its height can be adjusted for comfortable conversations on the move. Powered by electricity, the chair can reach a top speed of 6 kilometers per hour and cover 8 kilometers on a full charge. Now, we're excited to see app developers create exciting projects beyond just races. Honda is turning potential from 2018 into reality. Get set to be blown away by not just one, but two groundbreaking innovations that will leave you utterly speechless. Brace yourself for the electrifying tech innovations of 2024, poised to completely revolutionize your world. Eden ISS. The Eden ISS project has achieved remarkable success, cultivating a variety of vegetables in a soilless greenhouse in the challenging conditions of Antarctica. Despite extreme temperatures, the project produced significant harvests of tomatoes, cucumbers, cabbage, and radishes. This achievement not only benefits future space missions, but also holds promise for addressing sustainability challenges in agriculture on Earth, especially in harsh environments. By adopting the innovative techniques from the Eden ISS project, we can revolutionize agricultural practices, improving food security in challenging conditions. By implementing these advancements, we can create a more resilient and sustainable future, ensuring that even in tough times, we can thrive and prosper. Kiwifruit picking robot. The global kiwi market has experienced a remarkable surge, reaching an impressive $7.6 billion, even surpassing the GDP of Liechtenstein for the same year. This quirky comparison highlights the significant role kiwis play in the market landscape. With such staggering numbers, it's clear that kiwis are more than just fruits. They're a serious business. The recent introduction of a robotic kiwi picker is generating considerable excitement within the industry. This innovative technology, equipped with advanced cameras and learning algorithms, demonstrates remarkable precision in identifying up to 90% of fruit. Through precise calibration, it handles picking tasks with greater delicacy than humans, which is crucial given the clustered nature of kiwi growth, where rough handling can lead to damage. Moreover, this versatile robot offers the added benefit of assisting in pollinating the garden, showcasing its potential to revolutionize kiwi farming practices.